off. Oh. Dad, what are you doing?
Trying to help.
Okay, 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 okay. Why were you in the left lane? Why were you in the left lane?
Oh my god.
What was that?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my.
Oh.
Right, and you're not recording?
I'll help him. Should I help him? Oh. Oh. God damn.
Right?
Dude, his bumper got so. Oh my god, I thought you were gonna do
Oh my god! Well, jeez! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! What is he doing?
He made it! Wow! That's
That
pretty
is
impressive.
Dude, what the f are you doing? You stupid Dude, what the f, man?
Oh my god. People are stupid.
Holy f, Jesus. Are you...
What the hell is up all this?
Yeah. Somebody's gonna go under. Hey! Hey! Oh my god! No! No! Get a license.
Needs to get out of the road. Alright, buddy, whenever you're ready. Oh, almost got it. Alright, okay. Alrighty. Take away. Oh, oh. Not the right one? Alright. Oh, no, come back. Alright. No, come on back again.
Are also affecting
Whoa.
fertility. Do you have any
Whoa,
concept, any idea
holy
of
crap.
where
Bro? That was hilarious.
Makeup on the way. Bow down to the X. A little more than ordinary. Made it look on you, bro. I'm the judge and jury. I don't want it. I'm the one. Y'all my entertainment, fascinated. Cause it's so hilarious. Little girl under my skin.
Ooh. Follow this guy.
See where it says Zoo Hub Club? Right next to that.
Uh-oh. He just lost a tire.
Oh.
He literally lost his tire.
Man, I almost hit that other car.
Uh-huh.
with the West over the issue of Majorian's murder and Severus's elevation. Now Marcellinus was apparently prepared to storm Italy as soon as the spring of 462 arrived and asked for Leo's support. But the Eastern Emperor refused to give it.
What
Instead,
the
counseling
heck?
patience. Not wanting
Oh God.
Oh shit. He's right there. What is she doing?
Get the f out. Look at that guy's running there too.
Oh, this is gonna be bad, man. This is gonna be bad. They're opening up. Shit. Get the. Oh my God! Oh my.